My favorite thing about working here is interacting with the patients, enjoying their journey. And I always tell them I thank them for allowing me into their journey and growing with them. I also love working with my team. I do have a great team that we really are focused into the care model. So it's been an exciting journey. Humana took the chance to invest in me, and with investing in me, it boosted my self-esteem that I felt like I can come into any setting and be successful. I can't even put a price tag on that they literally said, we will give you opportunities that I couldn't even dream of. And I try to, even now, spread the word that it's really a Humana family. Do one thing, and that is hold on. Because there's so much that'll come to a new nurse that it might seem overwhelming. But if you hold on, your skills will develop. You'll start to feel reassured in yourself, and you'll feel like you got it.